In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see Google Ads keywords. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the keywords connected to your campaigns, how to understand what you're looking at, and how to spot the terms that might be costing you money without delivering results. First, go to your Google Ads account. If you manage more than one account, make sure you're in the right one for the campaign you want to review. Once you're in, look to the left-hand side and click on Campaigns. This takes you to the central hub where all your campaigns live, and it's the best starting point for understanding how your ads are organized. From here, navigate to the audience area. This section helps you understand who your ads are reaching, and it sits alongside other core controls. After opening Audience, click on Keywords. This is the view where your keyword data lives. If your layout looks slightly different, don't worry. Google Ads updates its interface periodically, but you're still looking for the Keywords page within your campaign controls. On the Keywords screen, you'll see a table listing the keywords tied to your campaigns. These are the terms you're targeting, so your ads can show when potential customers search for related topics. In the table, pay attention to key columns such as clicks, impressions, click-through rate, average cost per click, total cost, and conversions. Together, these metrics tell you not just what you're bidding on, but how those keywords are performing. This is where you can identify keywords that may be costing you money. A simple way to start is to look at the cost column and note which keywords have the highest spend. Then, check whether they're generating conversions. If a keyword has significant spend but little or no conversion activity, it may be a candidate for closer attention. Also, watch for low click-through rates, which can signal weak relevance or ad copy that isn't resonating. Use this area to analyze your keywords more broadly. Look for patterns, like which keywords consistently attract engaged traffic and which ones lag behind. Consider the intent behind each term. Does it align with what you actually offer and the actions you want users to take? Even subtle differences in phrasing can affect performance and cost. That's it. You've gone to your Google Ads account, clicked Campaigns, opened Audience, and then clicked Keywords. Now you know where to see the keywords connected to your ads, how to spot those that are costing you money, and how to start analyzing performance with confidence.